5 easy and healthy lunch recipes for kids. As a parent, you want to make sure your kids are eating healthy, but sometimes it can be hard to come up with ideas that are both nutritious and delicious. That's why we've put together this video featuring 5 easy and healthy lunch recipes that your kids are sure to love. First up, we have a delicious and nutritious turkey and avocado wrap. To make this, simply spread some avocado on a whole wheat wrap, add some sliced turkey and veggies like lettuce and tomato, then roll it up tightly and slice it into rounds. It's a great way to get some healthy fats and protein into your child's lunch. Next, we have a simple but satisfying salad. Start with a bed of greens like spinach or kale, add some sliced veggies like cucumber and bell peppers, and top it off with some protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas. Drizzle some olive oil and vinegar on top for a tasty and healthy dressing. Narrator. For those colder days, a warm and comforting soup can be just what your child needs. Try making a vegetable soup with broth, onions, garlic, carrots, celery, and your child's favorite veggies. You can even add some protein like lentils or beans for an extra boost of nutrition. Another fun and flavorful option is a pasta salad. Use whole wheat pasta and add some veggies like cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and olives. Top it off with some feta cheese and a light dressing made with olive oil and vinegar. Narrator. And last but not least, we have a sweet and healthy fruit skewer. Simply cut up some of your child's favorite fruits like strawberries, pineapple, and grapes, and thread them onto a skewer. It's a fun and tasty way to get some vitamins and antioxidants into your child's lunch. We hope these 5 easy and healthy lunch recipes will give you some inspiration for your child's lunchbox. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring, and with a little creativity, you can make sure your child is getting the nutrients they need to thrive. Thanks for watching.